banta karon ang content creator and vlogger nga Cebuanon. Welcome sa ato ang programa si Joshien Kyla Geyrozaga. Maayong buntag, Joshien.
Hi, maayong buntag.
How are you, Joshien?
I'm okay. Kumusta?
Eto, maayo lang. Ikaw, gusto jud ka namog ma-interview. Ilabi na nga International Women's Day karong adlaw, Joshien. May we know kinsa jud si Joshien behind and in front of her vlog?
I go by Joshien. So like everyone knows me in my name, Joshien Kyla Geyrozaga. And then there's no difference like kung unsa ko ipakita sa YouTube, mora sa jud na ako in personal. So everything, what I show, what I project in social media is also who I am in real life.
What made you start vlogging, Joshien?
Actually, it's a funny story because I'm an only child, Says. I'm an only child, so like my parents, they were strict before when I was younger. So like they gave me like laptop, and then like I was in like grade 5. I started using the webcam and uploaded on YouTube. So grade 5, I was like around 10 years old, and then I started uploading sa YouTube. Yeah. Back then, kay YouTube is like for weird kids, Russia. So it wasn't, vloggers were not as famous as before. So bata pa kay ko until now, na murag na over the years, na mo na siyang hobby, until now kay I established audiences, which is happy kay ko karon kay maka-interact na ko.
And sa imo kang mga vlogs, although that's how you started, no? Pampalipas oras lang to nimo. But you also talk about serious matters sa imo kang vlog, just like studying tips. How do you attract to more viewers? Unsa pa ang mga content ang imong ginahuna to attract more viewers, Joshien?
Akong branding is for the students good kay I remember my first vlogs na giseryoso na ko og upload nga that was when I went to the US as an exchange student. So that was 2 years ago. So student ra gid gihapon akong branding, and until now kay na college na lang ko. When I was also in senior high school, I also vlogged it, and now I'm in college. And on my vlogs recently about college, I shared tips as to how we not lose our sense of time, especially now we're here studying from home. Dili jud malikayan na kanang makalimot taon sa na oras we have to submit on midnight. So for me, I think akong important na ginahatag sa akong audience is that I hope they still learn to know their proper studying habits. I always share to everyone na check on your friends, on your blockmates, and just be kind to everyone. Maura gid na ako ang giingon sa ilaha.
And in one of your vlogs, Joshien, you mentioned that you were taking up a pre-law, political science. What career do you want to pursue someday?
Hopefully na maka-pursue jud ko as a lawyer. Mao jud na akong dream. Hopefully, God willing, I really want to become a lawmaker, defender. Puhon.
Yes, sige lang nga. Ma-manifest lang jud na, matinuod jud na, Joshien. And as an aspiring lawyer someday, Joshien, if given a chance to make a law about women's rights, what would it be?
I really want to become an advocate siya for gender equality in the context of politics. So I know interesting kay siya, no, pero like me, kay I just realized that now in this trying times, I realized lang na kanang women are really effective leaders. As in ang countries na gina-lead sa mga women leaders kay mao ang mga first countries to be COVID free. So I feel like it would be very nice na siguro we give chance to the women na kanang mawala sad ang norms na 'di ba right now kay mostly kay men dominated ang politics and ana. So I think it would be very nice to open the gates of politics, of leadership to women.
And of course, before we end our interview, Joshien, unsa ang imuhang gustong ibilin nga message para sa tanan natong mga viewers?
To our women, most especially siguro, since it's Women's Day, International Women's Day, I'd like to say to everyone na the famous just be yourself, siguro. Siguro let's not be afraid to be creative. Let's not be afraid to show the world our talents and our skills and show them what we have to offer. And then women, we are not just women. I know that we are strong. We have to embrace all the opportunities and then show to the world what we have to offer.
Thank you so much, Joshien, for that very empowering
Thank you.
message. God bless
Thank you.